In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the roof skin of Fiesta MK6 and fit a carbon roof. Let's go. That's a good one. Carbon roof instead of this heavy monstrosity. By the way, weight saving is almost 10 kilograms. So I'm going to take the roof skin off. There's a couple of, well, quite a few spot welds that you need to drill out. I'll show you how it's done. Let me show you the roof. So in here we have a selection of customer roofs. This is the one that Sam went for. This is just normal 2x2 twill. I have a lovely 1x1 pattern like this, and also this one with a slight little, not damage, but my mistake on the part. So this one is discounted. So yeah, let's go and fit this roof. This video is gonna serve as a tutorial. Obviously, the windscreen needs to be completely removed. You need to take an angle grinder or anything, sandpaper, and you need to clean everything to reveal the spot welds so you can see them at the front. Same goes for this channel. You need to reveal all the spot welds. This tool works remarkably well. You can just oscillate it left and right. Carefully remove everything. As soon as you see them, you need a spot weld drill bit. I use one of these and it's absolutely fantastic. You can of course use one of those bits. I've used them before. They are okay, but usually they require some kind of a guide. So with a punch you need to make a little hole first so this thing doesn't wobble. They're a little bit more problematic and they tend to break the teeth, but these drill bits, they are expensive. I think they're like 10-15 pounds each, but they work remarkably well. On the rear, luckily you don't need to clean anything up. It's pretty much visible. So all of these spot welds need to be removed. So once everything is drilled out, every single spot weld, obviously a good idea to go around and have a look, because the roof is not going to remove if you forgot one or two, and then it's just going to pull and may bend it. So I always check whether I've done every single one of them. Always a good idea, run with a hoover everywhere so nothing really goes inside the car. We already covered obviously the dashboard and the seat with the little thing, but I reckon all the spot welds, I could count it for you because it's a tutorial, so you know how many spot welds, but chances are there would be one or two extra on one roof and one or two less on the other roof. And now we are ready to use these two fancy tools, literally two flat picks, and then you go into the visible bits. I usually start from the front or from the rear, from that very lip, and then you insert one like that with a little hammer. You just sort of start peeling it, and then you will see in no time the whole roof will just collapse. This is how you remove MK6 roof skin from a MK6 Fiesta. Now I'm gonna show you how to clean this up, what to do before you apply your roof onto the chassis, and a few other important steps. now we need to clean up all of this overspill sealant. This needs to be nice and clean to the edge, and also it has to have bare metal for the adhesion to happen really nice. So all of this needs to be cleaned up. Also, one thing to note if you're doing this, there is a support, standard support for the roof. It's metal. On a Clio, this thing is absolutely humongous. It's really wide and really thick, so it's almost 2.5 kilos. On a Fiesta, this thing probably weighs nothing. So you have an option. If your car is a road car, I would probably suggest to keep it just for the extra reinforcement. If it's a truck car only, every gram counts, take it out. It's super easy. It's literally one spot weld on each side, so it's not even structural. As you can see, everything has been cleaned up. All the surfaces where the adhesive is going to be attaching to the chassis has to be bare metal. Basically everywhere where the spot welds were, this is where your roof is going to be glued on. I used acetone and a rag obviously to go over it, hoover the inside, hoover everywhere else so there is no extra dust flying around in the air. And now we're ready to actually measure up the roof and see how it fits, because it'll probably need a little bit of trimming. As you can see, it fits wonderfully at the front, the back. It needs a little bit of trimming because I always leave extra bits all the way around, just so you know, and it's always easy to trim it on the car. You see, these bits, they are not present on the original roof, as you can see, so we can actually trim it like that. $12 kilograms. Also, this thing, like I said, it weighs absolutely nothing visually. 460 grams, so that's 12.5 kilograms, give or take. .2. So 12.5 minus 3.2. You do the math. I guess I am a lying bastard. I keep saying 10 kilograms. It's just over 9. It's a good solid improvement, and also it's right from the top of your car where you want the least of the weight. So the center of gravity is lower, it looks cooler. Customer will get all the ladies or fat bloke at the racetrack as usual. So yeah, now everything is trimmed, everything is ready to fit. Essentially everything is clean, everything has been sanded and everything. So now we're just going to use adhesive. I use PU18, it's polyurethane adhesive. It's similar to Tiger Seal, but Tiger Seal is just a brand and it's overpriced. It's basically double the price. PU18 is just industry standard stuff for this. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is how you fit a carbon roof onto Fiesta Mark 6, or if you want to replace it with a new skin metal or whatever, this is how you take this one off. It's fairly easy, a lot easier than the Clio. Probably taking me overall, let's say, about 4 hours from start to finish to put this roof on. And when you sort of glue it on, just a couple of clamps here and there. PU18 dries out fairly quickly. Within an hour, it will get to this stage where it's properly tucked in. PU18. So you can actually drive the car or move it around without sort of the worry. It's been about an hour, maybe 45 minutes, and you can't even press it down. So anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you would like a roof like that, let me know. I actually have one that I can sell you right off the bat with a discount because it has a weird finish, or I can make you a new one, or one for the clear. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your granddad, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.